Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. The best flooring trend to look out for in 2023. We have asked the expert for the top flooring trends you need to be aware of as we step into 2023. Whether you are building, extending or renovating, we have got you covered. In the world of interior, a new year brings new flooring trends, and we are here to ensure you know exactly what they are. We have asked the industry expert for their top tips and insider knowledge so that before you start shopping around for types of flooring, you can do so fully confident that you have a good grasp on not only what style are likely to be presented with us you browse, but also which will best fit in with the interior scheme you have planned. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. From the latest colors and pattern to the way in which some of our favorite classical materials are being used in a more up to date way. Don't start your flooring search without sorting up on our guide to what's hot underfoot. Before we get stuck into the most up to the minute and stylish looks around in the world of flooring, we asked the experts whether there were any overriding themes shopper should be on the lookout for. This should help you narrow down your selections, whether you are offer wood flooring ideas or something a little more out of the ordinary. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video. Thanks for watching my video.